should know about Singapore Changi Airport Terminal 4. Number 1. Petalclouds. Petalclouds is a vast kinetic installation spanning along the Central Galleria that evokes the impression of clouds moving slowly in the sky. The artwork spans over 200 meters along the Central Galleria and is designed as an integral part of the space, creating a connection between the public and transit sides of the terminal. Number 2. Heritage Zone. Heritage Zone pays tribute to the evolution of this culture from the 1880s to the 1950s. Befitting the heritage theme, a key highlight of the Heritage Zone is Peranakan Love Story, a 6-minute theatrical performance of a love story between two young adults. The video is played on a 10-meter by 6-meter LED screen spanning two shopfront bays on the Peranakan façade. Number 3. Immersive Wall. The 70-meter by 5-meter long immersive wall spans across the central departure security screening area. The LED display has 16 different immersive content capsules, each lasting about 2 to 4 minutes, showcasing Singapore's skyline, ASEAN landmarks, and also a whimsical animated clip of suitcases being screened before flight. Number 4. Fully automated departure.
With one scan, you're ready to board your flight. Hope you enjoyed the 4 steps of fast and seamless travel.
Number 5. Art and Entertainment. 3 bird sculptures made of stainless steel wires greet passengers in the arrival and departure halls. One bird is perched on the ground, while the other 2 are suspended in mid-air, soaring high. Art pieces within T4 portray the vibrant, fun, and positively surprising vibe of the terminal. The pieces are specially curated based on what they represent, as well as how they connect with their surrounding elements for a visually immersive experience. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.